Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 19. For what range of values of x is 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4 greater than 1 all over 3x plus 1 over 2? Now this question is coined out from inequality. Now the options given is that A, x is greater than minus 3 over 2, B, x is greater than 3 over 2, C, x is less than 3 over 2, and D, x is less than minus 3 over 2. Now we're giving 1 all over 2x plus 1 all over 4 is greater than 1 all over 3x plus 1 all over 2. Now this is something as saying x over 2 plus 1 over 4 is greater than x over 3 plus 1 over 2. Now let's take the LCM of this side. LCM of this side will be 4. 2 into 4 will give us what? 2 plus times x will give us 2x plus 4 into 4, 1 times 1 will give us 1 is greater than. Now the LCM of this other side is 6. 3 into 6 is 2. 2 multiplied by x will give us 2x plus 2 into 6 is 3. Multiplied by 1 will give us 3. So now from here we can now what? Cross multiply. By cross multiplying we have that 6 into 2x plus 1 greater than 4 into 2x plus 3. Now this will give us, opening the bracket, we have 12x plus 6 is greater than 8x plus 12. Collecting like terms, we have 12x minus 8x is greater than 12 minus 6. So we have 4x greater than 6. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4, we have x is greater than 6 all over 4. Here we have 3, 2 here we have 3, and 2 here we have 2. So that means x is greater than 3 all over 2, and that is option B, 3 all over 2. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.